Good morning, everyone. I am Professor Sumit Kaur from the area of Operations Management and Digital Sciences. So today I am going to talk about my latest paper, that is the impact, Namaste Alexa, the impact of non-native language queries on voice-assisted usage intention. So how did this idea came across? We saw that from past few years, like say 2 to 3 years before, all of a sudden there was a trend of having voice assistant as one of the, you can say, USPs. Everybody was just talking about voice assistant, and people were using more for fun, as in terms of enjoying it and talking to it, rather than using it for the purpose for what it was meant. So when the first paper idea came across to us, during that time we saw that people were too much occupied in terms of enjoying different accents and voice assistant responding them very weirdly. So it was more of a toy to children rather than the usage to the adults. So that was the reason the first paper on the accent came across. We were trying to see that how people wanted to use voice assistant, but they were using different accent in a way that the voice assistant understand. So suppose I say, Alexa, how is the weather today? Now this accent maybe Alexa is not able to understand. So I would like to change, Alexa, please tell me what is the weather today. So weather, and we used to focus or emphasize on some words so that voice assistant would understand, because the answers that they were giving us were very weird and it was more in terms of fun. So that was the first paper that was developed. Then later on, we realized that accent is not the only issue. The issue is also with the language. When we talk about India, people are not comfortable in English at all. They want to have voice assistant in their own regional languages. We saw that people were talking more of Alexa in Hindi, or you can say even Punjabi and Gujarati. So even my Hindi, when I speak, has an accent of Punjabi or Gujarati from whatever language I have come across. So we saw that only accent is not the issue as a barrier of not being accepted voice assistant in the market, but yes, the language was also one of the barriers because of which voice assistant was not gaining that much popularity. So the second paper that was in terms of language to be adopted by voice assistant came to our notice, and this was the gap that we thought about, and this is the paper on which we worked. So in the second paper, what we did was that we figured out that if I am very proud of my language, okay, and I want that my language should be understood by voice assistant, I don't want to understand what voice assistant will speak. I want them to speak in my language. So we tried to figure out that how language identity leads to anthropomorphism. Now anthropomorphism is what? Where we consider a object or a machine as human. We say that we consider them, they are human and they need to respond to us similar to the way humans respond. So if I talk to somebody, I don't talk to him like a robot, but I talk to him like a human. So that is why the constructs that we figured out were language identity, which were divided into 3 parts, followed by anthropomorphism. Then anthropomorphism leads us to emotional action or rational action, which finally tells us whether we are going to use voice assistant or we will discontinue using voice assistant. So if I consider that voice assistant is important, it is helping me in my day-to-day work, and he can respond in the same language that I am comfortable with, so that leads to a rational action, and this rational action will lead to that I am going to keep on using voice assistant for a longer period of time. But in other case, when the voice assistant is not able to understand the language that I speak, that can lead to the emotional action, and finally that could lead to discontinued usage. So this is how our paper could figure out that if voice assistant need to be accepted widely in Indian market, they have to adapt to the language, regional language of the people who are using it in order to be successful compared to what actually they are. Thank you so much.